channel. So this was like a very different type of video that I did today. I actually introduced like a very new nail tech, so she's gonna show up on my channel a lot. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Carla. You can find me on IG as KK Nails. You can also call me KK, that's my nickname. So stay tuned.
So she gave me these really like, let me show y'all up close. So kind of explain like what you did.
Well, this is all color acrylic and Swarovski stones. She wanted lime green and she wanted to be loud, so we did something really loud. You can get them a little closer so they can see the stones. Swarovski's only.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this was very different from my channel. I usually do like hair and makeup stuff, so comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the nail tutorial. I really like it, and
I love you too. Thank you for having me, babe.
Do you want to come back?
Sure.
Okay, girl.
Sure, why not? Why wouldn't come back?
Alright, well make sure you leave any comments or questions down below. Actually leave some nail requests. Like you can even tag me in some pictures if you want to see. Kind of put her skills to the test.
Like what would you guys like to see? What are you guys are interested in learning?
Yeah, so I mean I really like the nails so far. They look extremely professional. Usually when I get them done my cuticles still look crazy and they look really good. So, and I'm a nail biter too, so she did a really good job. I'll make sure to put everything down in the description box below. She's in New York, but you do house calls? Or?
Yeah, I do. I freelance a lot, so I will be in different states. Stay tuned with me to find out what state I'm gonna be next time.
And as you guys know, I'm in Atlanta, so she's here right now. And how frequently do you come to Atlanta?
Well, this is actually my first time in Atlanta, but I'm thinking of coming back every other 3 weeks or month, which is usually when people need a filling.
Okay, sounds like
so if you're in Atlanta and you would like to see me, stay tuned, follow me, DM me, hit me up. I'll be back soon.
Alright, Sunflower Gang. Well, don't forget to do the hidden giveaway. So comment below a sunflower emoji and you guys will get a chance to win something free. I may actually do a giveaway and pay for you guys to get your nails done. So the next time she's in Atlanta, if you're here. If you guys are in New York as well, let me know because I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. Let me know how you feel about it. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty and I will see you in my next video.
Slay, girls.
Bye.
Bye.